What's up, YouTube? So this is the Keurig K Duo. I got this at an Amazon return type store. Took a chance on it. Got home, it wouldn't turn on. You plug it in. Screen right here was dark. No matter how many times you hit the power button. So to troubleshoot it, first thing I did was take the plug. See if I can get this out. Put your meter, if you have a voltmeter, 2 ohms, and go between each leg of your plug like that to that. And as you can see, I'm getting something, so it's reading back to the circuit. Before I was getting open, completely open, so that led me to start troubleshooting even further. So I pulled these screws off the bottom and dropped that bracket down. And then I'll turn this over. So as you can see right here is your cord. The power comes in, it branches off your neutral. Let's see, it comes here. Your hot wire goes, let me see if I can get the camera down there to, let's see if I can get this screwdriver to right here into this crimped connection. Goes from this red wire, it goes behind the pot right here to this little white sleeve. That's like a thermal protection sleeve and electrical protection. It's almost like heat shrink, but it's loose. And basically this is just like a flex fit that keeps it up against this pot. And what's inside of there is a thermal fuse. This is what came out of it, and it's gonna be hard to see, but it says 120, let me see again, 5, I believe, 128 degrees Celsius. So I guess anything over that, it opens up. And I don't know if it was a fluke or what, but so when I took my meter, you can place your meter right here on ohms, and you can pull this off, this red wire, which comes from the other side of that thermal fuse, which is really just your hot wire coming back to the circuit board. Pull that off and measure from here to the correct end on the plug. And that tells you that from the plug all the way through that fuse back to here is good. You can measure it on ohms. If you read open, that tells you you've got a problem. So obviously have it unplugged. Once you get that, you can you don't have to take anything else apart. Just flex this out, pull up on that. That sleeve will slide down. Take you some stake-on pliers or whatever cutters you want. Cut it out, and that's what you'll be left with. And then if you want to test it again, you can. Just to make sure. I'm gonna see if I can do this one hand. All right, so hold it on there and you can see it's open. It tells you that fuse is opened. And obviously if you hold my leads together, that's what you get when it's closed. So I ordered one of these on Amazon. Fortunately, it came next day. I'll put a link to it. It comes with these crimp sleeves like that. So basically you'll cut the old one out, strip a little bit of wire back, shove it up in there. This the fuse will come about maybe that long. Cut it down to size, crimp the new sleeves on, put it back in, and now plug it up, and let's see, hit the button. Back in business. Thanks for watching.